Okay. आज का हमारा today's next session, and in this session we will consider the quality of the cusp. Quality of the cusp. One, three, five, 7, 9, 11. All our cusps are internal, intellectual cusps. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 are the even and external materialistic benefits, money, prosperity, luxury, things. जब भी हमारे सामने कोई कुंडली आती है, जब भी हमारे सामने कोई भी कुंडली आती है, ओके, देखिए। ओके, अब आपके सामने एक कुंडली आ गई होगी। ये हमारी भारतीय स्वतंत्रता दिन की कुंडली है। बर्थ चार्ट, दिस इज द इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस चार्ट, 15 अगस्त 1947। When we are thinking this, तो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात ये देखिए, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट दिस इज द ये देखिए, दिस इज द फर्स्ट कस्प, दिस इज द सेकंड कस्प, दिस इज द थर्ड कस्प, दिस इज द फोर्थ कस्प, दिस इज द फिफ्थ कस्प, दिस इज द सिक्स्थ cusp, this is the seventh cusp, this is the eighth cusp, ninth cusp, 10th cusp, 11th cusp and 12th cusp। अब आपके समझ में आ चुका होगा कि मैंने इधर जो आपको बताया कि 1 3 5 7 9 11, 1 3 5 7 9 11, ओके, 1 3 5 1 3 5 7 9 and 11, these are the odd cusp, these are the odd cusp। तो इसके लिए 1 3 5 7 9 11, this cusp shows your internal capacity, intellectual capacity, or the capability and capacity hidden in you. That is the Jataka. This will be only experienced, this will not be demonstrated. This will not be demonstrated. But reversely, 2 4 6 8 10 or 12, 2 4, 6, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. These are the even cusp. These are the even cusp. Even cusp means, in other words, we can say that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, they are the male signs. They are the, as far as the Rashi signs are concerned, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. If these Rashis are concerned, they are the male signs. They are the male signs. 2 seconds. One, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are the male signs. Mesha, Mithuna, Siha, Tula, Dhanu, or Kumbh. These are the male signs, and these cusps also are the male cusp. That is the internal cusp. You will come to know that the males will not demonstrate their mind to the world. The males will not demonstrate their minds to the world. And 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, these cusps are the internal cusp. It may be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These cusps are male signs, male cusp. But there is the only one cusp. There is the only one cusp, that is the 7th cusp. This 7th cusp is having the Libra sign, that is the male sign, male. But when we are considering the qualitative and quantitative predictions, then the male will marry the female. And ascendant, though it is the male sign, any female may be born in male sign, and any female will be born in female, any male will be born in female signs. It means if I myself is the ascendant, as I am the male, but my wife will be considered from the 7th house, and 7th house is the male, but the 7th house is to be considered for the partner, that is the marriage partner, life partner, what we can say. If 5th cusp is the male, the wife of the male, 5th cusp is to be taken for progeny, that is the kids. If your son is considered from 5th house, then the wife of the son will be seen from the 11th house. And 11th house or the 11th sign is male sign. And that's why today we use the Kaliyug Parashar Kalpurusha, Kaliyug Parashar and Kalpurusha KP Krishnamurti Paddhati Astrology. Through the calculating the most auspicious timing of event for every event in the life. Previously, it was said that there will be only one marriage. There will be only one marriage. And there will be multiple marriages also. There were the multiple marriages also there. Nowadays, the same system we adopt. Means when male and female come together, they agreed to get married, they married, they consume the marriage, they will conceive the baby, that particular lady will conceive the baby, she will deliver the baby. And along with this, if there are the difference of opinion in between the male and female, that is the married partner, then they will get separated legally and they will again marry to the others. This is the base. This is the base for prediction. You will see in existing system of Vedic astrology, Mercury, the lord of 3 and 6. Mercury, the lord of 3 and 6. And Jupiter is the lord of 9 and 12. They are the 1 to 10, 1 to 4 or 10 to 1, 1 to 4 or 10 to 1. It means if Mithun Rashi, Gemini sign is considered, the first Kendra will be the Kanya Rashi. And then the third Kendra, that is the Jupiter Sagittarius sign, and fourth center Kendra is the Pisces sign. All these signs are 1 to 4. 1 to 4, yeah, 1 to 10. 1 to 4, yeah, 1 to 10. 1 to 4, 4 to 10. 1 to 4, consider this. Mithun sign, suppose this is the Mithun Lagna, Gemini ascendant. Then Gemini, Cancer, Leo, and Yaha, this is the Virgo. Means the Virgo sign is fourth from the Gemini sign. But when we consider the Gemini as the ascendant, a Virgo as the ascendant, we come to know that the Virgo sign is, if it is the Virgo Lagna ascendant, then the Gemini sign will be in the 10th sign. Gemini will be the 10th sign. Will be the 10th sign. 10th sign. 10th sign will be the 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 10th sign. 10th sign will be Suppose Sagittarius is the sign, then if Sagittarius Lagna is there, then Pisces sign will be in fourth cusp. But if Pisces sign comes as the ascendant, the Sagittarius sign will be in 10th cusp. And as you know, one okay. Now see here, if this is the science, fixed science, and that's why the basic philosophy of the Indian astrology basics. First, zodiac is fixed. Zodiac is of 0 to 360 degrees, and zodiac is fixed. If this is the zodiac, Mesh Rashi 0 degree, 2. Aries sign 0 degree, 2. Pisces sign 360 degrees. Pisces sign 360 degrees. Aries 0 to Pisces 360. This will be the fixed. Zodiac is it's like the rim of cycle, and there are 12 large angle spokes, and there are also small angle spokes of there are also 27 small angle spokes. If we take this picture image of cycle tires, then this tire has been fixed in the rim, and rim is again connected with large 12 spokes and 27 small angle spokes. Sun and every physical planet moves in their specific path of moving in the zodiac. First criteria we have considered, zodiac is fixed. Second one is zodiac is like the rim of the cycle. There are 12 large angle spokes, and there are also 27 small angle spokes. Now, Sun and every physical planet is Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Ketu, and Venus. These are the physical planets. Every planet is moving in his specific path of moving, that is the transit or Brahman in the zodiac. Sun, Moon is the satellite of Earth. Moon is the satellite of Mother Earth. Okay. Sun, Moon, and Earth are also moving as per their gravitational forces, and as such, for the time of 24 hours, for the time of 24 hours, hello, which screen you are is there, madam? Word file or
एक्सेल दिखा रहा है खाली।
अरे नहीं, अभी अभी दिख
अभी दिख रहा है यार।
अभी दिखता है ना?
हाँ,
ओके, तो ये देखिए, दिस इज द quantitative and qualitative predictions. It will be based on these assumptions. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are the internal cusp or intellectual cusp, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are the even and external materialistic benefits, money, prosperity, luxury things, etc. Or everything will be considered seen under 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Now the basics are the same. Zodiac is 0 degree to 360 degrees. That is from Aries 0 degrees to Pisces 360 degrees. Zodiac is having Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. These are 12 signs, that is large angle spokes in the zodiac like rim. Then zodiac is also having Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, etc. Revati, nakshatras, constellations in the same zodiac. With small angle spokes. The span area in between the constellations stars are approximately 13 degree 20 minutes, means 13 into 60 is equal to 780 minutes. plus 20 minutes is equal to 800 minutes. Span area in between the signs are approximately 30 degree each. 30 into 60, 30 into 60 is equal to 1800, 1800 minutes. Signs are 12 of 1800 minutes and stars are 27 of 800 minutes. Zodiac, it's every sign is of 30 degrees, that is 1800 minutes. It consists of three stars, but the quantum of areas of these three stars will be like 4/4 of 3 degree 20 minute, 3/4 of 10 degree 0 minute, 2/4 of 6 degree 40 minute, and 1/4 of 3 degree 20 minute. Three stars will be every area, in every sign there are three stars. As far as the Aries sign is concerned, then Aries sign Ashwini 30 degree 20 minute, Bharani 16 degree 40 minute, 26 degree 40 minute, and Kritika 1, that is the 3 degree 20 minute. In Taurus, Kritika 3 degree 3/4, 10 degrees. Moon Rohini Nakshatra 4/4, and Mars 2/4, that is the 6 degree 40 minute. Gemini, first 2/4 is the 6 degree 50 minute Mangal, Mars. Rahu, Ardra Nakshatra 4/4. Punarvasu Nakshatra 10/4, 10 degrees, 10 degrees. Okay, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter. Mars 2, Jupiter, Rahu 4, and Jupiter 3. 4, 2, 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9. And now Cancer, first quarter is of the Punarvasu Nakshatra, 1/4, 3 degree 20 minute. Saturn 4/4, Pushya Nakshatra, and Mercury 4/4, Ashlesha Nakshatra. Okay. Moon is the satellite of Mother Earth, Sun, Moon, and Earth, and all planets. But we are considering only sun, moon, and earth are also moving as per their gravitational forces, and as such, for the time of 24 hours, earth rotates herself, and for every 2 hours, a separate new sign will arise in the east horizon, and this is called the ascendant. Lagna, ascendant. We are considering the qualitative and quantitative predictions, and as you have somewhat learnt in your regular classes where you have practicing when you are teaching, learning all these, that is, suppose there is the very common query asked by the parents or the Dataka himself or herself, that is there any divorce? First query is there any divorce? Second query is, if there is divorce, then is there any remarriage chances of remarriage? Chances of remarriage. These are the common questions. The most important thing is that when Krishnamurti ji in his early days, he used to use the Vedic terminology, that is, Mercury is the dual planet and Jupiter also is the dual planet. If in the seventh cusp there is the Mercury or Jupiter posited, or in seventh cusp there may be the Virgo, Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius and Pisces sign, then there will be the possibility of remarriage. Possibility of remarriage. When Krishnamurti ji was following the Vedic astrology, he was following the rules. That is, if Jupiter is there, Jupiter shows the repetition, Saturn shows the labor trouble, Sun shows the government, Moon shows the mind, etc. But when he gave the rule that if there, अगर किसी ने पूछा, if anyone asked, if there is possibility of remarriage to me, this is the prashna, query. Existing system people will look after the horoscope and tell that seventh cusp is occupied by Mercury or Jupiter. Seventh cusp Lord is Jupiter or Mercury. Then, or Mercury seventh cusp 7th cusp sign lord Mercury or any planet, 7th cusp sign lord may, if 7th cusp sign lord be in Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, then there is the possibility of remarriage. The niyam was given by the Krishnamurti ji himself in his old edition of the KP Readers 1 to 3, and afterwards also the same rule you will find in the Marriage, Married Life and Children, the KP Reader 4. When Krishnamurti ji, possibility of remarriage. As you are the students who wish to point out the correctness of prediction, and you know the existing system of Krishnamurti Paddhati has been adulterated by so many wrong principles, wrong theories, and that's why the correctness of the predictions is in doubt. Now, I give you the verdicts. KSK says, KP Reader 3, Predictive Stellar Astrology, page number 41. Page number 41. What Krishnamurti ji says? Krishnamurti says, if you have the KP Reader, please take before this. Please keep this book in front of you and read the page number 41. Actually, this is the chapter what each star signifies to each lagna or Rashi bonds. This is a very important. Yesterday only one of my friend, he may not be he was not knowing me, and he phoned me, he called me and requested, sir, you have told in the video that you are providing the study material for ATM Astrology. Afterwards, yesterday's 2 files I have shared. I also, and I gave him the link to join the classes. Today, after lately, he joined. And when I shared the 2 files, yesterday's 2 files, if you go through the groups, there are 2 files I have shared. That is, of events, ATM Astrology, 15 August 1947, 6/9/2025. And another one is quantitative and qualitative doc. Afterwards, he commented, I commented, KCIL system is half-baked system. Original KP is not known to anyone, but I am propagating original KP system, and if it includes Kaliyug Parashar Kalpurush and Krishnamurti Paddhati. That fellow has commented, not at all. All many things are which are not in from Sri KSK. If yes, show the writing of Sri KSK with example chart, not from the books only, but including magazines like others. Your system need new name. Kalamsa is of KCIL. Okay? And that particular person will, he left the group. Personally, I have shared these 2 files to him. I deleted it for all. If you are not having any respect to the Krishnamurti ji and for me, then why you asked previously? I removed. He left himself. There is no problem at all. That's why, for the people adamant like this, I am giving you the verdict of Krishnamurti ji. In the words of Krishnamurti ji, what each star signifies to each Lagna or Rashi bones. KSK says, KP Reader Team, Predictive Stellar Astrology, page number 41. I do not deviate from the single word of the Krishnamurti ji, but when he had the ideas, but he could not use it in that time examples or that time predictions. If you go through the Parasharats, Parashari, and all other things, are there the sufficient examples of horoscopes which have been given in the books? Have you seen? No. If you see the Brhat Parashari, Horashastra, Laghu Parashari, Urday Pradeep, then you will see only the rules. You will see there are only the rules. And the students has to make it applied as per your thinking. I had already mentioned you all that I am not the student of Vaidic astrology. That's why I have not studied the Parashari, etc. But I have studied with the blessings of Lord Uchist Mahaganpati, the original Krishnamurtis, and what the Krishnamurti ji had in his minds at the time of the death. Thus, Srimad Uchist Mahaganpati and all my deities totally blessed me to know that things when I got blessed. And that's why I am only thinking, I am only taking these sentences, no other sentence. Now, our today's subject is that quantitative and qualitative signification. If the Mercury shows the duality, or if 2, 5, 8, 11, these are the fixed signs. These are the fixed signs. Then any planet is the 7th cuspal sign lord, 7th cuspal sublord, or like this. If any planet is posited in these signs, that is Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius, then there is the possibility that you will get the things. Suppose if you are in the horary astrology, horary number, and if the 7th cuspal sublord is Saturn, and Saturn is posited in Taurus sign. If the sublord is Jupiter, and Jupiter is in Taurus sign, or Leo sign, or Scorpio sign, or Aquarius sign, it means if there is the query that will I be married with the same girl? Will I be married with the same girl? Then the rule shows by the Krishnamurti ji previously, will I marry with the same girl or same boy? What they said, if it will be taken in horary astrology query number 1 to 249. In our previous classes, I explained to get the horary number from 1 to 249 takes you to the wrong destination. Okay, what it again further he says, if the cuspal sublord of 7th cusp be in fixed sign, then there will be the possibility of marrying with the girl oblique boy under consideration. It means we have to take the horary number 1 to 249, and if the cuspal sublord of the 7th cusp be in the fixed sign, that is Taurus, Libra, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. if this is the A one. Another, if the cuspal sublord of seventh cusp is Mercury or Jupiter, or that cuspal sublord be in the sign of Mercury or Jupiter, that is Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, then there will be no chance to get married with the person under consideration. All people, all KP astrologers are following these principles. And if the cuspal sublord of seventh cusp be in common signs, then there is not confirmation of getting married with her oblique himself. This is the three rules it has been given in the book. All people, all KP astrologers are using these three rules for the marriage, confirmation, etc. Then I will bring your kind notice, your attention to this. Here Krishnamurti ji are criticizing the Vedic astrology and as compared to the Western astrology. And then he explained how this existing system of astrology in Vedic astrology along with the Western astrology, how they are having the lapses, missing links. I will explain this. This is not to Hindus classify and call a planet to be good or bad according to its lordship of a sign counted from the sign where Lagna falls. Good. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Normal 2, 6, 10. Then negative 4, 4 and 12. What are the remaining there? 4, 8 and 12. These are the sixth cusp. If these signs fall from the ascendant, if the ascendant is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, then these are the good, normal and worse. Okay. This is the normal rule all the Vedic astrologers who take. Now, Krishnamurti ji has told, Westerners judge a planet whether it is favorable or unfavorable according to the nature of the aspect the planet receives and according to its situation. But Westerners judge a planet whether it is favorable or unfavorable according to the nature of the aspect. There are so many aspects: conjunction, opposition, 7 degree 5 minutes, 12 degree 5 minutes, 15 degree 22 minutes 5 minutes, 22 degree 5 minutes, and there are so many aspects. I will give you the information in the notes. Means suppose, and the most important thing is that Westerners are not having any system of time prediction. This is the most important. Westerners are not having any system of time predictions. They count the system or period from the aspects of the planet to planet and planet to cusp. This is the very important. Remember this thing forever. But still, this makes the certain wrong impressions. Now, here KSK this is the main thing here, that Sri Krishnamurti ji denied the Vedic astrology regarding good or bad nature of the planets. As per the science, they move or transit or in aspects with planets or cusp. What Krishnamurti ji says, but I do not attach importance to the name of, but I do not give much, I not attach importance to the name of planet. मैं किसी भी ग्रह के नाम को महत्व नहीं देता हूं। इसका मतलब क्या होता है? रवि का मतलब राजा, राजकारण, राजसत्ता, सरकारी नौकरी एटसेट्रा। चंद्र का मतलब होता है मन, माता, द्रव पदार्थ, सब कुछ जो आपके सामने जो आता है। मंगल, क्रोध, साहस, उष्णता, अग्नि, यहां ये उष्णता भी आया, हीट। ओके, तो इस तरह से ये राहु और केतु ये भी पिशाच योनि कारक, माता के पिता। केतु shows the maternal relationship, maternal ancestors, and Rahu shows the paternal. Rahu shows paternal. Okay. Now see here what he says. आई डू नॉट, अभी शनि, शनि को, और केतु को गर्भपात, गर्भदोष, संतति नहीं, वंध्यत्व, ये सारी की सारी बातें जो है वो दैट यू विल सी इन दिस द सिग्निफिकेशन ऑफ राहु इटसेल्फ, वो आपको उधर भी मिलेगा। ओके। अब अब आपको ये पता चलेगा कि शनि, शनि विलंब करता है, नकार देता है, नौकर, सेवा, लेबर प्रॉब्लम, यानी कि कामगार तकलीफ, इफ यू आर getting the, if you are applying appointing the particular persons as your employer, then they will make you trouble, they will make you trouble, and accordingly the total Vedic astrologers used to predict. But when here Krishnamurti ji says, I do not need much, I do not attach importance to the name of the planet or its position. Here, if the planet is in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 from the ascendant, that particular planet is considered that that particular planet will give the best results for that lagna. But here, the name of the planet will not affect or affect the quantity of result or the quality of result or its position. It may be in 12th house, it may be in 6th house, it may be in 8th house, it may be in 4th house, or it may be in 6th house. Remember this thing forever. Now, he further added, I give importance to the 27 zones in the zodiac and to the subdivisions. I give importance to the 27 zones. Try to identify what I repeatedly telling you. What I'm telling? That constellations are not the planets. Remember, what I taught you. What? That is, Sun to Ketu are the physical planets, and Ashwini to Revati are stars, that is, the areas of zodiac, and the lords of Ashwini is supposed to be Ketu, and Revati is Mercury. But Ketu is the area star lord of Ashwini. Venus is the area star lord of Bharni, Purva, Falguni, and Purvashada. Sun is the area star lord or dasha lord of Krutika, Uttara Phalguni, or Uttarashara. Moon is the area star lord, dasha lord of Rohini, Hasta, Shravana. Mars is the area star lord or dasha lord of Mruga, Chitra, Dhanistha. Rahu is the area lord of dasha lord of Ardra, Swati, Shata, Taraka. Jupiter is the area star lord, dasha lord of Punarvasu, Vishakha, Purva, Bhadrapada. Saturn is the area star lord, dasha lord of Pushya, Anuradha, Uttara, Bhadrapada. And finally, Mercury is the area star lord, dasha lord of Ashlesha, Jestha, Revati. Now I ask you, what is the difference in Sun now in Leo sign, in Purva Phalguni star, and the sign lord Leo, sign lord of Leo sign? What is the difference? Please unmute your mic and please try to explain.
Sun represent Venus.
Yes. नहीं, मैंने यहाँ ये पूछा कि what is the difference in Sun now in Leo sign, in Purva Phalguni star, and the Sun who is the sign lord of Leo sign. What is the difference? What is the difference?
मूल त्रिकोण राशि, मूल त्रिकोण sign.
I have not detailed you the types of the horoscope, types of the signs, etc. I only simply asked you the question that what is the difference in Sun now in Leo sign in Purva Phalguni star, and the Sun who is sign lord of Leo sign, further here add करता हूं, and now in Leo sign. बताइए.
So the star lord is Venus for Purva Phalguni star.
No.
Okay.
I asked and I taught you for my last 2 or 3 classes. That is, the now Sun is in Leo sign from 15th August to 16th September.
Okay.
After 16th September, will Sun be in Leo sign? Hello?
No, sir, Virgo sign. Virgo sign.
Now Sun is in Leo sign from 15th August to 16th 16th September, then tell me after 16th September will Sun be in Leo sign
No, sir.
or Leo sign is the area of zodiac that is 120 degree to 150 degree. Got it? Hello.
Okay, sir.
Now
Yes, sir,
see
I
it.
understand.
2 seconds. We will go. This is the horoscope. Okay. This horoscope shows that 30, 30, a 0 to 30, a 30 to 60, a 60 to 90, and a 90 to 120. This is 150. This is 180. This is 210. 210. 240. 270. 300. 330. And 360. 360. Okay. This is the ascendant. Which ascendant is this? Hello. Which ascendant is this?
Taurus, sir.
Taurus. Taurus ascendant starts from 30 degree to 60 degree. Hello, ascendant is there. But as we are considering the Kalpurush Kundli, as we are considering the Kalpurush Kundli, Kalpurush का मतलब क्या होता है कि ascendant will be the Mangal, ascendant will be the Mars Aries sign, फिक्स्ड कुंडली लेकर चलने का. तो अब देखिए इस कुंडली में अगर मेष लग्न एरीज असेंडेंट का विचार किया तो 120 डिग्री टू 160 डिग्रीज, 120 डिग्री टू 150 डिग्रीज, which sign will be there in the zodiac? 120 to 130 डिग्री कौन सी साइन आएगी?
लियो, सर.
लियो आएगी. बराबर है ना? 2 से ओके. तो वो कौन सी साइन आएगी? लियो साइन आएगी. तो इसीलिए मैंने आपको पूछा, दैट्स व्हाई आई आस्क्ड दैट what is the difference in sun now in Leo sign, in Purva Phalguni star, and the sun who is the sign lord of Leo sign and now in Leo sign. Every year sun will be in Leo sign for the period 15th August to 16th September. But sun will be in every 30 days move in next sign, next time, as sun is the physical planet. Sun is the physical planet. And Leo sign is the area of zodiac. And here the sun is the area sign lord of Leo. Area sign lord of Leo. Then please see here 26 degree 40 minute to 40 degree 0 minute. Taurus sign, Kritika, sorry, Aries plus Taurus, Kritika, उसके afterwards Leo plus Virgo, Uttara Falguni, then Sagittarius plus Capricorn. That is the Uttarashada. Here is also the same. That is 26 degree 40 minute 0 second to 40 degree 0 minute 0 second. Is equal to, what is the period? 13 degree 20 minute. 13 degree 20 minute. Then here is called Sun is the area star lord, Dasha lord of Kritika, Uttara Falguni and Uttarashada. Is this Sun is the physical planet as like for 15th August to 16th September? That Sun is in Leo sign. लियो साइन में अभी सिंह राशि में जो प्लैनेट गोचर कर रहा है वो रवि, सन, एंड द एरिया लॉर्ड ऑफ उत्तरा कृतिका, उत्तरा फल्गुनी एंड उत्तराषाढ़ा नक्षत्र इज द सेम सन. है क्या? हेलो?
No, sir. No, sir.
नो. उसका डिफ्रेंसिएशन जो है, फिजिकल प्लैनेट्स विल बी at any time only in one position, that is the sign, that is sign, star, sub, sukshma, prana, that is sign, dasha, bhukti, antra, sukshma and prana. प्राण. ये समझ में आ गया? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then now I will take before you the original horoscope. Please see here. Sun, this horoscope 15 August 1947. Sun posited in which sign? Kark Rashi. Hello. Sun posited in which sign? The Kark Rashi. 2 seconds. Okay. Now see, this is the sign horoscope, blank horoscope जिसे कहते हैं. हेलो, बस. Now see, sun, कर्क राशि 28 डिग्री 4 मिनट 44 सेकंड. कर्क राशि 28 डिग्री 4 मिनट और 44 सेकंड. ये कब की तारीख है? 15 अगस्त की. आज की तारीख अगर विचार करें, कोई भी किसी भी साल की, अगर आज 7 सितंबर है तो 7 सितंबर को सूर्य सिंह राशि और पूर्व उत्तरा फाल्गुनी नक्षत्र, तो ये सारे के सारे 9 प्लैनेट्स है, सन, मून, मार्स, मर्क्यूरी, जुपिटर, वीनस, सैटर्न, राहु, केतु, दे आर मूविंग इन देयर पाथ. वो अपने मार्ग के ऊपर से भ्रमण करते रहते हैं. लेकिन यहां देखिए, यहां सन को देखिए. सन अब देखिए, सन कौन से भाव का है? अधिपति है. हेलो, सन is the
Fifth
cuspal sign lord. Sun is the fifth cuspal sign lord. Fifth cuspal sign lord. Okay. At the time of the 15 August every year, Sun will be in Cancer. After 2 days, it will enter into the Leo sign. Leo sign. It means if we consider the moon, now see moon. Moon at the time of 15 August 1947, 0 hours, 0 minute, 0 second, moon was 4 degree, 4 minute and 24 seconds in Ashlesha Nakshatra. In, Pushya Nakshatra. In Pushya Nakshatra. In Pushya Nakshatra. Moon is in own sign. Moon is in own sign. Suppose if this time is wrong, and the regular normal confusion regarding the time of birth, that is the rising day. Suppose if we take the 15th August 1947, this was after 12 o'clock midnight, the Friday is rising. But instead of day, if there is some confusion of timing, there is some confusion of timing. I have elaborated this horoscope in our last class because Sun Moon was in Cancer sign 3 degree 20 minute. Moon was in Cancer sign. Chauda 8 1947 at Moon was in Cancer sign, Pushya star at either at 13 degree 3 degree 20 minute. The starting of Pushya Nakshatra will be in Cancer sign 3 degree 20 minute to 16 degree 40 minute. And moon was in Cancer sign Pushya star, Pushya Nakshatra 3 degree 20 minute at 22 hours 49 minutes. But our horoscope has been prepared on the 0 hours, 0 minute, 0 hours, 0 minute, 0 second. 0 hours, 0 minute, 0 second. The date has been changed. 0 hours, 0 minute, 0 second. Means 1 hour. 1 hour, 42 minutes has been lapsed after moon in Cancer sign Pushya star. And now on 4 degree 4 minute and 54 second. 4 degree 4 minute and 54 second. 54 is हमारे 24 sorry 24 second. Now suppose, and if we consider this, that is the 15th of August 1947 at 0 degree 0 degree 0 hours 0 minute 01 second के ऊपर, this is the position of moon. If unfortunately our time is wrong by 1 hour or 2 hours, then your position of moon along with her longitudes, that is sign lord, star lord, dasha lord, sub lord यानी कि भुक्ति लॉर्ड, सब लॉर्ड यानी कि अंतरा लॉर्ड, सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड यानी कि सब लॉर्ड, and finally prana lord, that is sub lord. We have been told that we have taken the freedom. India has been free on 0 hours 0 minute 0 second. लेकिन actually अगर if there is the difference of 1 or 2 hours, then at the new time reported time, that is the most important. At the new reported time, your position of moon, the position of moon along with her longitudes. Now at 0 hours 0 minute 0 second, that is longitude of moon 4 degree 4 minute 24 second. But after some time, 1 hour 2 hours, that longitude will be different, and suppose we are not taking this 1 or 2 hours, we are taking 2 second. Now this is take this lead moon 15 August. Okay. Moon entered into Cancer sign on 22 hours 49 minutes 20 seconds and will be in Saturn star up to 19 hours 59 minutes. When at 0 hours 0 minute 0 second, the dasha balance, remember this thing forever. Dasha balance Dasha balance. Dasha balance. Dasha balance. Shani Dasha, Saturn Dasha runs for 19 years. But 1 degree 12 minutes period has been lapsed. 3 degree 20 minutes to 4 degree 4 minutes on 24 seconds. The period of 1 year and 0 months and 20 days has been lapsed. 1 year. If we add the 30, 20 days, then this will become the 18 years and remaining 1 plus 1 year is equal to 19 years. On the moon position, 4 degree 4 minutes 24 seconds, the Dasha balance is 17 years 11 months and 10 days. Okay. Suppose if I take, and this is the Dasha, Shani Dasha, Shani Antar Dasha, Ketu Pratyantar Dasha, Mercury Sukshma Dasha, and Mercury Pran Dasha. Mercury Pran Dasha runs for 15th August 1947, evening 17 hours 49 minutes 59 seconds, यानी कि 17 hours 50 minutes. If I take 45 minutes, if I take 45 minutes, if I take 45 minutes, now what is the position of moon? 4 degree 41 minutes 30 seconds. 4 degree 41 minutes. If I add 45 minutes, then the moon degree will be changed. Moon degrees will be changed. Not only this, but moon degree will be changed. Okay. Now see here. Now, if I add 45 minutes, timing is 0 hours 59 minutes. This is the 59 minutes. Sorry. 59 minutes. Then now the moon longitude is Cancer, Pushya, 4 degree 41 minutes 30 seconds. And the more important is that, the most important thing is that now the Dasha balance, if you see the Dasha balance, if we see the Dasha balance, previously 17 years, 11 months and 10 days, this was at 4 degree, 4 minutes, 24 in Pushya star. Okay. And now at this time, moon at Cancer, 4 degree 41 minutes 30 seconds. Dasha balance 17 years 0 months 24 days. 17 years 0 months and 24 days. Remember this thing forever. If you change your horoscope, if you are change your timing, if you have been reported, if you have been given the wrong timing, your horoscope will be totally wrong. And as such, we will come in problem. Now please see, seventh cusp of sublord is moon. Seventh cusp of sublord is moon. 2 seconds. Okay. Saturn. Suppose seventh cuspal sublord is Mangal. Suppose in this case, seventh cuspal sublord is a Mangal sign. सप्तमेश मंगल है. हेलो, पहला रूल जो मैंने बताया, सप्तमेश मंगल. मंगल कौन सी राशि में? मंगल इज पोजिटेड इन विच राशि साइन? हेलो, मंगल कौन सी राशि में बैठा हुआ है? मिथुन राशि में बैठा हुआ है, जेमिनी. तो इफ सप्तमेश is posited in dual sign, will it confirm that you will get your desire to be fulfilled? सप्तमेश अगर द्विस्वभाव राशि में है तो आपकी इच्छा पूरी होगी क्या? नहीं होगी. नहीं होगी. इस तरह से जो ये जो रूल बताया गया. हेलो,
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रहा है सर.
2 सेकंड. हाँ, वो तो इसके 2 सेकंड. देखिए, सप्तमेश कौन है? मंगल है. मंगल कौन से राशि में बैठा हुआ है? मंगल को देखिए, मंगल इन जेमिनी राशि, 7 डिग्री 34 मिनट और 53 सेकंड. If Saptamesh Mars is posited in Gemini sign, it means that that particular person will not get his expected desire to be fulfilled. समझ लीजिए कि शनि है, सैटर्न. अब पिछले साल 28 तो 26 27 28 जून को, अप्रैल को Saturn entered into Pisces. But prior to that, Saturn was in Aquarius sign for 2.5 years. If any horary query, if any horary question is having the cuspal sublord, subsublord, Sukshma Lord, Prana Lord, that is the Shani, Saturn, and Saturn is in Aquarius sign, that is the fixed sign. जो भी व्यक्ति इस तरह के जो भी ऑररी नंबर देगा या प्रश्न कुंडली बनाएगा, तो उसका काम हमेशा के लिए एज ओनली द कस्पल सबलॉर्ड सैटर्न, सेवंथ कस्पल सबलॉर्ड सैटर्न इज इन स्थिर राशि, फिक्स्ड साइन, तो सारी की सारी काम बन जाएंगे. एवरी डिजायर विल बी फुलफिल्ड. इफ we predict like this, will every will of the Jataka will be fulfilled? बताइए. No. That's why all the system, all the tools which were using Krishnamurti ji himself in his initial days with his one of friend, and he wrote the first book in 1963. He wrote 3 books. Capital 1, 2, 3. And in that book, the Mercury for repetition, Mercury for remarriage, Mercury, suppose if India won the World Cup, so many people, so many KP astrologers challenged that in previous World Cup, India was the winner. And whatever may be the horoscope, horary queries they have prepared, the sublord of the 11th cusp was Saturn. And Saturn was Mercury. And Mercury shows, or Mercury himself, or in the star of the Mercury. तो मर्क्यूरी क्या करता है? रिपीटेशन दर्शाता है. लोगों ने दिया कि इंडिया विल विन, इंडिया विल विन. कौन जीत गया? हेलो, कौन जीत गया पिछला वर्ल्ड कप?
ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
तो ऐसी गलती अगर हमसे करते हैं, हमारे कोई मार्गदर्शन के अनुसार अगर किसी की जिंदगी बर्बाद होती है, तो विल वी बी द गुड एस्ट्रोलॉजर? अगर हमारे कारण, हमारे मार्गदर्शन, गलत मार्गदर्शन के अनुसार किसी की जिंदगी बर्बाद होती है, तो हम अच्छे ज्योतिषी बन सकते हैं क्या? तो यहां आई रिटर्न टू द टेक्स्ट. I return to the text. What Krishnamurti ji says, I give importance to the 27 zones. यानी कि 27 stars equal to constellations oblique dashas. Dashas in the zodiac. And in that 27 stars, the 27 stars multiplied by every star with 9 bhuktis. That is the subdivision. ध्यान में लीजिए. I give importance to the 27 zones. आज से पहले किसी ने भी जोन का कृष्णमूर्ति जी ने जो इस्तेमाल किया था, एरिया स्टार लॉर्ड, एरिया सब लॉर्ड, एरिया सब लॉर्ड, एरिया सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड एंड एरिया प्राणा लॉर्ड, एंड प्लैनेट का स्टार लॉर्ड, प्लैनेट का सब लॉर्ड, प्लैनेट का स्टार लॉर्ड, प्लैनेट का सब लॉर्ड, प्लैनेट का सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड एंड प्लैनेट का प्राणा लॉर्ड, ये अलग है. ये आज तक किसी ने आपको बताया था क्या कुंदन जी?
नो सर.
आई गिव द, जो हम प्रूफ को ये करते हैं, केस लॉ देते हैं आपके लिए. ये 27 है, कृष्णमूर्ति जी ने लिखा है, मैंने लिखा है क्या? नहीं है. तो ये यहां जो बोल दिया उन्होंने कि 29 भुक्तिज सब डिविजन्स यहां हम ऐड करते हैं, दैट इज 243 भुक्तिज इंटू 9 अंतराज इज इक्वल टू 2187 इंटू 9 87 इंटू 9 सूक्ष्मार्थ is equal to 19,683 into 9 is equal to 1,77,147 pranats, prandashas. I give this importance to these divisions. क्या बोलते हैं? I give importance to the 27 zones in the zodiac and to the subdivisions as these are capable of thoroughly changing a benefic according to Hindus and Westerns to a malefic which is actually experienced and confirmed by the native, or changing a malefic according to Hindus and Westerns and to a benefic which agrees with the results enjoyed. वैदिक ज्योतिष के ग्रंथों में जो नियम बनाए गए हैं उसके अनुसार जो अशुभ है वो शुभ फल देते हैं और जो शुभ है वो अशुभ फल देते हैं। इसीलिए मैंने किसी भी प्लैनेट का नाम को उसके नेचुरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक का विचार नहीं किया है। ये बात आपके समझ में आ गई क्या? हेलो,
यस सर।
इन्होंने क्या बोला कि आई गिव नो इम्पोर्टेंस, आई अटैच नो इम्पोर्टेंस टू द नेम ऑफ, आई डू नॉट अटैच इम्पोर्टेंस टू द नेम ऑफ प्लैनेट्स और इट्स पोजीशन। कौन सा प्लेनेट है? राहु है तो राहु ऐसा करेगा, मंगल ऐसा करेगा, शनि ऐसा करेगा। अभी सारे वैदिक ज्योतिष के तो अभ्यासक ये राहु की दशा आ गई ना तो वो बोलते हैं कि आपके घर में है ना कुछ तो है ना पिशाच आएगा। राहु का और पिशाच का कोई संबंध है क्या? मुझे बताइए जरा। हेलो, राहु का और पिशाच का कोई संबंध है क्या?
नो सर।
शनि की दशा चालू हो गई तो शनि आपको है ना पूरी तरह से बर्बाद करेगा। तो फिजिकल प्लैनेट शनि और पुष्य अनुराधा और उत्तरा भाद्रपदा नक्षत्र का अधिपति एरिया लॉर्ड शनि वो आपको एक जैसे फल दे सकता है क्या? मुझे बताइए। नहीं दे सकता। तो इसमें से ये एक बात आती है, ये जो मैंने अभी बताया, तो ये इसमें एक बात आप ध्यान में लीजिए। फिजिकल प्लैनेट इज द सोर्स, फिजिकल प्लैनेट इज द सोर्स। हु विल बी द सोर्स? ओनली सन टू केतु, सन टू केतु and area star lord, the star lord, area sublord, अंतर दशा लॉर्ड, एरिया सब लॉर्ड, अंतरा लॉर्ड, एरिया सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड एंड एरिया प्राणा लॉर्ड ऑफ प्लैनेट्स cusp and Vishottari dasha system are not the planets, are not the planets। आज हम इधर ही we stop here। और पहली बात एक मैं आपको एक रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि मेरा जो 866877 नंबर जो है नंबर का मोबाइल जरा आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर है। इसके लिए जब भी मुझे कांटेक्ट करना है तो 929422582853 और ये जो 967364 इसमें से किसी भी नंबर को अगर आपने व्हाट्सएप किया या मैसेज किया या फोन कॉल भी किया तो आई विल बी अवेलेबल। और सीमा मैडम, आपका जो रेडी रेकनर जो है वो ये कल चंद्र के ग्रहण से निकल के जब आगे चलेगा तब हम आपको ये जो फाइल जो है वो मैं आप सभी को शेयर करता हूँ। रेडी रेकनर फॉर सब लॉर्ड, सब लॉर्ड, सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड, प्राणा लॉर्ड। उसमें असेंडेंट का एरिया क्या होता है, 13 डिग्री 20 मिनट का एरिया कितना होता है, उसका कैलकुलेशन कैसे किया जाता है, अंतरदशा का, विदशा का, सूक्ष्म दशा का कैलकुलेशन पूरा कैसे किया जाता है, उसके फॉर्मूलाज, और उसके बाद असेंडेंट में लग्न स्टार लॉर्ड कितने समय तक रहता है, कौन सा प्लेनेट रहता है, कौन सा एरिया लॉर्ड रहता है, कौन सा एरिया सब लॉर्ड रहता है, कि कौन सा एरिया सब लॉर्ड, सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड, प्राणा लॉर्ड रहता है। इसका विचार हम कल करेंगे। कल कौन सी तारीख है? 8 तारीख। अब हमारा क्लास होगा 10 तारीख को, और आने वाले 10 तारीख, 10 तारीख कब है? मंगलवार, बुधवार को है। तो 10 तारीख को चतुर्दशी, चतुर्थी है। 10 तारीख को संकष्ट चतुर्थी है। तो उस समय मैं आपको
ओके
इसके अलावा, इसका ये जो कंटिन्यू तो लेंगे, इसके अलावा आपको यूनिक सूक्ष्म दशा एस्ट्रो न्यूमरोलॉजी का लेसन पढ़ाने वाला हूं, लेकिन ध्यान में लीजिए कि वो ये जो क्लास चालू होगा वो दिस विल बी ओपन फॉर ऑल, लेकिन जो न्यूमरोलॉजी का जो एलिमेंट रहेगा it will be only for the person who are attending the class. That will not be for general public. This is the people who are attending my class. That is for their loyalty. I am giving this special advantage for them. So today only we will stop here. सभी का कल्याण हो, शुभम भवतु। इस तरह से क्वालिटेटिव एंड क्वांटिटेटिव प्रिडिक्शन के लिए अगर आप,
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
क्या बोला मैडम? हेलो मैडम, क्या बोला क्या?
सर मैंने थैंक यू सो मच।
ओके, कोई ये नहीं है। हेलो, आई एम डूइंग माई
हेलो
ऑल एफर्ट्स फॉर द बेटरमेंट इन द वर्ल्ड। मैं तो दुनिया नहीं बदल सकता, जो आएगा उसको ये जो अमृत है वो आपको मिलेगा। जो नहीं आएगा तो ही विल कंटिन्यू विथ हिज देयर ओन वर्ल्ड ट्रेडिशनल एंड ऑर्थोडॉक्स पद्धति। हम तो दुनिया नहीं बदल सकते, उनको नहीं बदल सकते, हम अपनी जो दुनिया नहीं बदल सकते तो दूसरे की क्या बदलेंगे? लेकिन वी आर हैविंग द फेथ इन द गॉड, इन द गुरु जी,
ट्रू
in the Shri
सर, ट्रू
Krishnamurti
करेक्ट।
ji and our forefathers. We are spreading the light of enjoyment in the world, and now the people are trying to capture this. Though they are live in the very meager number, but still they are increasing day by day. सभी का कल्याण हो, शुभम भवतु, शुभम भवतु, शुभम भवतु। ये जो अभी की जो फाइल है उसका जो पीडीएफ वर्जन मैं आपको शेयर करता हूं। सभी का कल्याण हो, शिवम भवतु, शिवम भवतु, शिवम भवतु।